cooking general, boy. Oh, man. We finna have a Soul Food Sunday Fest. Man, a Soul Food Sunday Fest. You never been to one? Let's do this stuff, man. Today we're gonna do some fried cabbage and some baked pork bones. Oh, you ain't never had that there? And we also gonna have some sweet potato and cornbread on the side. We're gonna do it in the back. Man, fried cabbage and pork bones. Come on, let me show you how you do that. Oh, yeah. First of all, you're going to need a cabbage. Then you're going to need red bell pepper, green bell pepper, an onion. Now, I got some chicken broth left over from the last meal, but I'm also using some bouillon cubes, and that's chicken flavor too. And then I got a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Now, for your seasoning, you're going to need some ground white pepper. You're going to need some garlic powder, and I use my Tony's. You're going to need some black pepper, salt, vinegar. Now, in my greens, also going to use this locally owned Country Boys sliced bacon and Country Boys right out of Burnham, Texas sausage. And this is a beef and pork sausage. And then you're going to have your washed and clean pork bones right here. Ooh, man, you talking about a good meal. A good meal right there. I haven't even spanked nothing. Let me spank these here.
No.
What?
You remember you hurt your knuckles last time? We need a stump.
Oh, that's right. Stunt double, yeah.
Yeah, we need a stunt double.
Stunt double. Oh, okay. All right.
Bullshit.
Welcome back to the Cooking General, boy. Woo, man, this soul food is on the chain, man. It's on the chain. And not off, it's on it. I'm pulling it up. Come here, let me show you this here. Now, I got my bacon already crisp. I got my sausage already done. Now, you leave your grease in there from your bacon and your sausage. That's when you want to add your bell peppers. You want to add your onions. And you want to also add your red bell peppers. And get all that out there. You know me, I ain't going to leave nothing in there. Because I did leave a little in there. I got the energy today. We're getting all this book out there. Now, we're going to get these sauteed down. And we're going to add our carrots a little bit later when this here gets sauteed down. But while this here sauteing, now, I got about a ½ inch of water in this pan. Now, I got my Tony's casserole, my ground white pepper, and some garlic powder, and a little salt and black pepper on these here. So you want to put these here in the pot, like that. Now, you don't put too many of them in there. You just put a few of them in there first. Then I'm adding some bell peppers on the side, some onions, and some red bell pepper. Now you got some cooking from the bottom, and you have some cooking from the top. Now, you put a couple more in there, and then I got 2 of those bouillon cubes. You put them off in that water. Make sure they hit to the bottom and get that water, because you want that to cook in there. Here we go. Oh, man. Now, I got my oven set for 350. Now, I'm not going to cover these right now. I'm going to cover them. I'm just going to put them in the oven on 350. And I'm going to finish sauteing these vegetables. And man, it's going to be on. Now I'm going to add my cabbage later. I'm going to add the bacon. And I'm going to add the sausage. Oh boy, it's going to be a good soul food Sunday. Man, it's going to be so good. Ooh, you know what? Now, I tell you what. Call 911. Just go on your phone, call 911. And when they say, hello, this is 911, what's your emergency? Tell them to ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Boy, we getting this soul food going. Now, check this out here. Now, I got my vegetables already sauteed. I took them out. I don't want to cook them right down. I want to cook them down too smush. Now, I had this here on quite a while. And my pork bones, oh man, let's get them boogers. Right. Until I pull them out. Now, I'm going to put me some jalapenos off in there. Now, and I want to put me about a cap full of vinegar. You know, no pickle taste. Let me get this right. I don't want that pickle taste on them. About right there. Well, no, a little bit more. Right there. You want to throw that off in your. Okay, I'm going to stick them back in there and let them go. Now, we're going to got the grease. We use our saute our vegetables in. We finna add our cabbage. Now we finna fry it. Get it all out of there. And if you drop some on the side, you already know. Keep your stove clean. You ain't got to worry about it. Now, the only thing I want to do now, I'm going to add some vinegar later on. Because that vinegar helps get rid of that bitter taste. I'm telling you, believe me. It's not really a bitter taste. It's just kind of a taste that you want to get rid of. Now, I'm going to add just probably about almost a teaspoon of sugar to that. I'm going to add a little garlic powder. And I'm going to add me a pinch of salt. Now, I'm also going to add my can of rotel. And we're going to let this here cook down. Now, we're going to let that cook down. And we're going to get these cabbage fried. Oh, man, it's going to be on. It's going to be on. Woo, let's see it. Boy, man, this soul food is going so good. This is soul food, you know, Sunday. But man, come here, let me show you. Man, let me show you. Now, I got my sweet potatoes on. I ain't gonna show you how to cook those because you know how to cook sweet potatoes. I got some field peas with a little okra, some black eyed peas, tomatoes. Oh man, that's going real good. Now, I got my cornbread in the oven. I got my poke bones there. I cover them with foil now because I got them about halfway done. Now, come here and show them fried cabbage. Now, you seen the last time I done, I add my stuff to it. Now, they're about almost done, so you want to go ahead and put your sausages in there. You want to go ahead and add your bacon. A little chicken broth. Put that in there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my the vegetables I sauteed earlier. Put them in there. Now, and we're going to let this go for a little bit. And then I'm going to add me a little vinegar at the last. Just a little vinegar. Like I told you about that taste. And stir this up. And let it go. Ooh, man. Man, if you cook a meal like this here, if you cook a meal, I don't care if you're man, woman, chef, general, whatever. Your partner should just tell you, come here and we're going to... Boy, this soul food, man. Y'all won't believe what I did, man. I mean, I know I wish I could show y'all everything. I wish y'all was here. Come here, let me show you. Look at this. Man, fried cabbage. Man, look at that. This was fried cabbage. Look at that sausage. Look at that sausage off of there. Man, look at that bacon. That sausage, that bacon, that rotel. Oh, man, let's get, look at that. Look at that. Hold on. Let me put this piece of cornbread on there. Man, now. Ooh, look here. Let's get this on there. Let's get this on there. Ooh, some sweet potatoes. Look at that. Sweet potatoes on there. Oh, hold on. Give me a little bit more. A little bit more. I want a little bit more on my plate. Oh, and then look here. Man, these here field peas. Man, these black eyed peas, field peas. Man, look at that. It got a little okra in there too. Oh, man, you don't even know. And then another star. The poke bones. Man, look at that. And you think I ain't telling, look at that. Look, look, look. Oh, what? Damn it. Right in front of my video. Hello. Oh, 911. Yeah? Yeah, I surely did 911. I killed it. I killed it. It's right here. It's sitting on the counter. I killed it. What? You gonna send somebody over? Send them over. You better ask somebody.